people, I want to make the video on this young lady. She's the youngest of the lot, and the thing is, actually, honestly, one should never adopt rabbits who are so tiny. My son, actually, what had happened was, in that rabbit cage, it was stuffed with quite a few of these baby rabbits, and then that's what, at some level, one is doing a little amount of good by giving at least one animal, because animals are a responsibility, right? So yeah, so that's what, this little lady, I wanted to do a whole video on her. Any cute small baby rabbit, I like to call them Sweetie. So this is Sweetie, and she's like really tiny. But the funny thing is, rabbits should not be like overfed. That's the surest way of losing them. So instead, this little girl, she was just in my lap all day, and just being, there's a lot of just being calm and silent itself, one conserves a lot of energy. I mean, especially with regard to these animals. So yesterday she wasn't feeling too well, but today she seems fine. So I think I should just let them be. They're doing their own thing, busy little souls. It's already a 1 minute video, but it was so nice doing this recording, people. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.